Hey guys, want to get free traffic to your Shopify store? That's where SEO comes in. It might sound technical, but today I will show you how to boost your rankings step by step. No coding, no stress. So step 1 is picking the right keywords. You can use tools like Uber Suggest, Google Keyword Planner or Autofill to find what people are searching for in your niche. Focus on long tail keywords like vegan skincare for oily skin, because they are easier to rank and attract better traffic. Now, make sure that your product titles include your main keywords, but keep them readable and natural. Write descriptions that not only sell but also include relevant search terms. Think like features plus benefit plus SEO. Now, step 3 is editing your meta titles and meta descriptions. So from your Shopify admin, scroll to Search Engine Listing Preview and edit it. You can navigate to your product, click on your product, scroll down and navigate to search engine listing and click on the edit icon. Now, use your targeted keyword and a call to action and keep it under 60 characters for titles, 160 for descriptions. This is what shows on Google. Make it click-worthy. Now, rename your image files before uploading. Example, blue-running-shoes.jpg, and always add alt text because Google reads alt text to understand your images and it helps with accessibility too. Now, link from one product to another, like this product goes great with this product, or from your homepage to your bestsellers. Also, you can start a Shopify blog and answer common customer questions. More content is equal to more chances to rank. So, SEO takes time, but consistency pays off. Start small, keep optimizing, and you will see the results. Hit like if you learned something new, subscribe for more Shopify growth tips, and comment below what SEO task will you tackle first. And I will see you in the next video.